Is localized imaging orchestration pathing failed due to the Ximage Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we start the Ximage Library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Ximage Library, frequently found in localized CAD or specialized medical imaging software. It manages the hardware-accelerated rendering of cross-sectional image data. If missing, the software will launch with a completely blank UI viewport or report a graphic module load failure during the data import phase. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. TP32 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Ximage library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of WTS-API 32DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If Ximage Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Ximage Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.